So right now, I'm reaching out to all. So right now, I'm reaching out to anyone who's ever used a vacuum cleaner, anyone who's ever known somebody who's used a vacuum cleaner, or anybody who may use a vacuum cleaner in the future. It could be just a regular standard vacuum cleaner that you keep in the living room. It can be a shop vac. It doesn't matter what kind of vacuum cleaner it is. This attachment will fit. This attachment is. So right now, I'm reaching out to anyone who's ever used a vacuum cleaner, anyone who's ever known someone who used a vacuum cleaner, or anyone who may use a vacuum cleaner. Really? Puppy. Mia, please. Hey. No. No, please. Hey. Mia, lay down, please. Mia. Where's Max?